How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the adaptive layer height in the Creality slicer. So actually, it's this specific button right here. Now, as of the moment, it is grayed out because we haven't selected any model. So the first step is actually choosing the model first, and then it will enable the variable layer height option right here. Now we can adjust the quality and speed of this one by basically adjusting or tweaking the slider. And of course, we can also adjust how smooth we want to apply the variable layer height. Now, basically with this one, now, for the layer height, it automatically changes the layer thickness while printing. Basically, for thin layers on detailed or curved parts, it provides smoother surface. And for some thicker layers on the simple or flat areas, it will do the faster printing. Now, as a result, we have a better quality where it matters and the shorter print time overall. Now, it adjusts the layer height dramatically to balance out the speed and detail. So in here, you can just adjust the quality and speed. And if you click on apply, it will actually show you the colors of our variable layer height right here. And so that's how you use the variable layer height on your Creality slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.